The harsh truth is that even the best ideas can fail here on YouTube if you don't know how to structure and deliver them right. You might have a great idea, but if it's not structured properly, viewers might click away before you even get to the main point of the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to structure and deliver your content right so that you get maximum engagement, you get viewers engaging with your content and staying hooked till the end of the video. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Point number one, start with a strong hook that grabs the user's attention within the first 10 seconds of the video. The first few seconds of your video is very important. It is very crucial for you to get the attention of your viewer. So how can you grab your viewer's attention? You can either ask a question, because when you ask a question, the person's mind, the viewer's mind is there to want to answer that question. Or you can use a bold statement or a controversial statement. Say something controversial that would make them want to understand what you're talking about, want to know more. So they keep watching that video in order to get exactly what you're talking about. So if your video is about productivity, like that, so don't just start with a boring intro saying let me tell you how this that is, and start saying something very boring from the beginning of your video. Instead, start with something like a bold statement that can be like 80% of viewers watching me right now are wasting their life in so and so by doing so and so, right? You say something like that and the person would want to, why is this person saying something like this? I want to know, okay, let me listen to this person and get the point, because that's the way the human mind, the human brain works. It wants to understand. It wants to answer a question. So using a strong hook or a grabber at the beginning, the first few seconds or first few minutes of your video, using a strong hook helps to keep your viewers' attention. All right, so it keeps their attention. So you keep saying something like that to explain what you have said in the beginning. In that, by so doing, you already have their attention and they keep watching to know exactly what your video is about. So the next point on the list is point number 2. Clearly introduce what your video is about. After you've grabbed your viewers' attention, get straight to the point. Don't go up beating about the bush. Let them know exactly what to expect from this video, from the video you're recording or you've uploaded. Let them know. This sets a clear expectation. They already know what they are going to get from this video and they are now watching to understand, okay, what you're talking about. They want you to better explain that bold statement or what you've said in the beginning. They want to understand you. So just get straight to the point. You'll be like, after introduction, you're like, okay, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly 5 steps on how to edit this kind of video as a beginner, something like that. Just tell them exactly what to expect after you've grabbed their attention. All right, so that's it. The next point on the list is point number 3. Break down your content into clear, digestible sections. Right, so break them down into sections or parts. Let's say you can use a bullet point to arrange them. Let's say you're talking about 4 steps to edit a video, right? Something like that. By breaking them down into sections, you're organizing your content for easy delivery and also for your viewers to better absorb and understand what you're talking about. So it's a two-way thing. It helps you keep your content organized, and it helps your viewers to understand and to easily absorb what you are saying. For example, let's say the idea of four easy steps to edit a video in CapCut as a beginner. All right, you break it down into 4 steps. First one is the basic features of CapCut, where you're talking about different things that can be done in CapCut and how to use the tools there. The second one is how to add text in CapCut. The third one, talk about transitions, right? And the last one, how after explaining all these points, you're not talking about how to export your project, how to save your project after you finish editing it. All right, so arranging it in section helps them to understand what comes before what. It helps you to also organize this content and for easy delivery. So it's a two-way thing, like I said. So it's easier for your viewers to understand what you're talking about when you break them down into sections. All right. So the next one on the list, which is the 4th point, is use engaging visuals or pictures to reinforce your point. Let's say you're talking about a particular thing, you can get pictures or videos. Example of the websites where you can get free videos that is free of copyright, no copyright issues, is pixels.com. Pixels.com. So you go to pixels.com, download these free videos and use them in your videos to further explain or to paint a picture on your viewers' mind so that they clearly or they better understand what your video is about or what you're trying to explain. All right, you can also use text on screen, use text to explain what you're talking about, or you do like a screen recording showing your viewers what you're doing so that they can follow along. Just like I do in my video tutorials, I just screen record what I'm doing and explain what I'm doing so that my viewers can understand what I'm doing and be able to do it too on their own. All right, so that's a way you can paint a picture just by using visuals, using some pictures, video clips, text on screen, screen recording to further drive your point home. All right, so that's a very great way to make your videos engaging. Your video is not so boring. Your viewers can see what is happening on the screen, and it makes it fun and engaging to watch. All right, so which leads us to the next point on the list, which is the final point. The 5th point on the list is use a call to action at the end of your videos. So the last point on the list is end with a strong call to action. So you've delivered your content now. So what next? What are your viewers supposed to do right now? So you have to tell them what to do next. So after you're done delivering your content, you have to tell your viewers to comment on your video. Let your viewers drop their comments on the comment section, or subscribe to the channel, or you link them, you tell them to check out another material. Don't just leave them like that. You have to tell them what to do next. All right, so that's what using a strong call to action entails. So learn how to use that properly and always use that in your content. Every time you're creating a video, make sure you add a strong call to action at the end of your video. Structuring your content is the key to keeping your viewers engaged. delivering your message clearly, and ensuring that they take action at the end of your video. And to recap, number 1, start with a strong hook. Number 2, clearly introduce your topic. Number 3, break down your topic into sections. Number 4, use visuals to further demonstrate your point. Number 5, end with a strong call to action. All right? Follow the steps and you'll not only have good videos, great videos at that, but you'll also have your viewers coming back for more. All right? So if you've watched this video up until this point, I want to say a very big thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. But before you click away, check out this video to learn how to come up with video ideas very easily. All right? Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.